Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom countryside home for sale. It is nestled on a gentle hillside, offering breathtaking views and cool country breezes. Located in a quiet, well established neighborhood in Christiana, Manchester, known for its peaceful atmosphere and welcoming returning residents. This property is ideal for those seeking comfort, space, and a strong connection to nature. Sitting on 3 acres of fertile land, this home is perfect for cultivating vegetables, flowers, or creating your own private garden oasis. The land is rich and fruitful, supported by a large water tank for sustainable watering and daily convenience. Enjoy the serenity of country living with proximity to the town, where you will find banks, schools, churches, shopping, and other essential amenities just minutes away. Whether you're seeking to settle, retire, or invest in agricultural living, this property offers endless potential and peace of mind. Call today for your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 187,000, Jamaican 29.5 million, Canadian 267.6 thousand, Euro 171.7 thousand, or 145.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.